In this video, we're going to take a look at the 2022 borrowing, saving and investing question, and it came up as part of one of the long questions, question 18. So it says, Kevin plans to save €8,000 this year. He researches two different options of places to save and found the following information. So we have An Post. So they have a savings rate of 3%, but they do not charge DIRT, which is deposit interest retention tax, which is a tax on interest on savings. Okay, then you have a commercial bank such as AIB or Bank of Ireland or PTSB, and they offer a savings rate of 4%, but on the 4% interest that they will earn there will be DIRT charged, deposit interest retention tax charged of 33%. So using the information above, calculate the interest he will receive for each option and calculate the total value of Kevin's savings after 1 year. Okay, so with An Post, he has the 8% that he has, the amount that he is putting in, okay, multiply it by the 3% interest rate and by the year, and you get there that it is €240 interest. Now, that means he's going to have 8,240 at the end of year one. Why? Because he's not being charged any DIRT on that. So all the interest that he earns, he is receiving all of that. So he's going to have in his savings account the 8,000 plus all of the €240 interest that he has earned. Now, with the commercial bank, he has 4% interest that he's getting, okay, but then that means he's going to get €320 interest, but then we have to remember that he's been charged DIRT of 33% here. So we're going to have the €320 multiplied by 33% DIRT will be €105.60. So that €105.60 he is not going to get. That is going to be given to the government. Okay, so what is he how much interest is he going to be earning? So he's going to be earning 320 minus the DIRT of 105.60, which is €214.40. Now, that means he's going to be taking home €214.40, and his total earnings, then his total savings will be €8,214.40. So as you can see there, which is the better option? The better option is the An Post. Okay, so that is that savings question complete.